I'm Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you what I picked up from Walmart. Yeah, yarn from Walmart. Let's get started. Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. So today I want to show you guys what I did pick up from Walmart. So I'm going to insert here, you'll see where I did go to Walmart. It was a pretty sad looking Walmart. So I made this trip to Asheville. I was planning on visiting a bunch of my yarn stores while I was there, like the big box yarn stores like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and I found out there was Joann's there. That is the next time I go. Anyway, unfortunately, I got to Hobby Lobby too late. It was already closed. I didn't know that they closed at 8. I rolled up there at 8:30 all ready to run in, get what I needed because I needed some cotton yarn, get what I needed, run out, do what I gotta do, enjoy my time in there because it didn't take me long. I go in there, I beeline to the yarn. I did it at Michael's. It took me 30 minutes. And I destroyed my bank card. No, I didn't destroy it completely, but I did find a lot of yarn in 30 minutes. Anyway, because of that, I consoled myself by going to Walmart and picking up some yarn. And this is some yarn that I've been eyeing, but I haven't really pulled the plug on it. And I was like, you know what? Since I couldn't buy anything from Hobby Lobby, I'm going to go ahead and go to Walmart and see if they have this yarn. And my husband needed to go to Walmart for another reason. So this is going to be probably one of my shortest videos for a haul video, but let me go ahead and show you this yarn. I love it, and it always makes me think of Julie. So this isn't that so gorgeous? Look how bright and colorful that is. Actually, let me close my computer really quick. Yeah, that's better. You see how bright and colorful that is? Oh my gosh. How could you not love this yarn? Maybe it's too bright and wonderful for you. Some people can't handle all that brightness. Right, Julie? Anyway, so let me tell you a little bit about this particular yarn, which you may know about it. The Mandala Ombre has been around for a while, but maybe you don't know about it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this yarn. So this is Mandala Lion brand Mandala Ombre, and it is of course a Lion brand yarn. So let's go to this section here. So it is 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 344 yards, or 315 meters. It is a 100% acrylic yarn. You guys, this yarn is so soft. It is incredibly soft. Now this is something that Lion brand does that I really like, and it shows you how it works up. Now I am gonna be doing a yarn shorts, which you may have seen where I started that already, but I will do a small swatch in this yarn. I may not get through all the colors, but you'll see how it works up, at least in that respect. So this is a weight 4 yarn, or a worsted weight yarn. They do recommend a 4.5 millimeter, oh, got off there, 4.5 millimeter knitting needle, or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. It is machine washable and dryable. Of course, it's a 100% acrylic, so that's pretty known for being machine washable and dryable. And this particular colorway is called Happy. So how could you not be happy when looking at this yarn? I mean, this color is amazing. What? Look at how amazing that is. So they only had 2 balls at, or cakes. These are cakes, not balls. It's cakes and skeins, Melanie. Cakes and skeins. So they only had 2 cakes at the Walmart that I went to. I did pick up both of those cakes, and then I went ahead and ordered 6 more. Yep, I ordered 6 more. I really want to make a blanket for me, and all this yarn, I keep on talking about making blankets, and If you guys have been with me for a little bit, you know that blankets are usually what ends up in my UFO piles. But I also do make them, but most often what ends up in my UFO piles are going to be blankets. But I do intend to make blankets out of these. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. I love how pretty these are. I can't get over it. I'll get over it. No, I won't. Yeah, I will. No, I won't. Could you get over it? Anyway, what have you used Mandala Ombre? What have you made out of it? What would you make out of this? It doesn't have to be a blanket. I want to make a blanket because I love how bright and cheery it is. And then I think I'm gonna do, you know what? Why don't you tell me this actually? I am making a blanket, and I was thinking I was going to make a granny square blanket, like with bigger granny squares, and then do white in the middle, but I feel like that may take away from this. I don't know. What do you think? Should I do a granny square blanket, or is there another pattern you think I should do? Should I like stripe it? I am getting 6 balls of this, so 6 balls of this comes out to, since there's 344, so that'll come out to what, 18, 19, almost 2,000 square feet, maybe a little bit over 2,000 square feet. So that'll make a nice size throw. What do you think? Should I do like a mile a minute type deal? Should I do a granny square like I was originally thinking with the white border? Huh. You tell me what you think. I got time. I'm not getting to this blanket right away. I have other stuff I gotta get done as per usual. but that is definitely gonna be a blanket that I make. I'm very excited about how bright and colorful that is. Yeah, so that is all I bought at Walmart as far as crochet related stuff. I was gonna buy some hooks, but I decided against it because they actually have enough hooks, and yeah, I was gonna buy the Lion brand bamboo hooks, but I decided against it. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you enjoyed this little mini haul and my story time. But I want to say thank you so much. You guys, you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.